Alright, we're getting this. For sure.
Let's go.
Lucky Trail not his middle name. Alright, this is the run, for sure. Oh, look at that. Got a free spin from that. Give me another one. Another one. Oh, not bad. Another one. Another one. Alright, no more free spins, but got a good amount of money from that. I can already go to the next round. Yeah. Hello, Moto. Ah, fuck it, I'll go for the first one. Gain 1 free restock every deadline? Oh, wait. Okay.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go. Give me diamonds, give me diamonds, give me diamonds. Yes. Respin. Pretty good. Nice, respin. Okay. Not too shabby. Thank you very much.
Let's go gambling.
Trying diamond build? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Gambo? Yeah, I am getting a lot more diamonds, but it's only 3 in a row. Not that many more. To refresh this. Rerolls all symbols that are not inside a pattern during the current spin. Wait, that seems good too. Oh, ooh! Diamond. I'll get this too. Alright. Here we go.
Let's go.
Come on. Oh! Oh! Wait, what just happened? Oh, I thought that was gonna be huge. It was nothing. Game? Okay. I should be good. No, I have enough, I have enough. Nice. Respin. Oh, nice! Huge! Good. Hey! There you go. Okay, sweet. Woo! Got pretty lucky there. Nice. Yeah, I'm doing that. Yeah, I think that was the right call. Oh, green peppers again. I can go for that again. We're still in the early game, so why not? Yeah, fuck it. Let's do this. Oh my god, I can already go to the next round. I don't have to play. Hey. Lamoto. This one is good. I think I want to go for that. No? I just don't want this on my pepper charm. If it goes on my pepper charm, I'm sad. Please. I'm gonna kill myself in game. I just don't want this on my pepper. I just don't want this on my pepper. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. No, dude. Dude, the reason why I didn't want it, because it's gonna disappear after 9 uses. Oh my god. Dude, what are the chances? I have 5 freaking Lucky Charms and 1 on the freaking pepper. Ay. Oh, this is pretty good, right? Then I get this. Okay. Whatever. Okay, we just play it. I'm over it. Here we go.
Let's go gambling.
Friends, thank you for the super. Happy gambling dog. Thanks. I'll need it. Oh, diamond, please. Forgot about that. Oh, okay. Diamonds! Yes, more diamonds. Nice. Oh! Oh my god, huge. Not too shabby. That's pretty dang good. That's pretty dang good. Oh! Wait, that's good. I need the cat food. Gimme. Plus 2 spins. You can't go wrong with that. 678 coins. Yeah, what about it, huh? What about it?
Let's go gambling.
Shut up. Because this is no winner. Oh, okay. Good. But that's truly the reason why I called it out. Oh my god, whoa. That's huge. Oh. Ooh. Very nice. Hey. Oh yeah, brother. You go next. I am winning. I'm feeling pretty good about this run. Increase charge space by 1. Yep, getting that. I already have a pepper. Make space for 2 more Lucky Charms. Wait, really? Oh. Oh, hell yeah. What? Wait, that's so good. Okay. This one grows by 1 whenever 5 plus pen triggers during a spin. Yeah, the pentacle was really good during my first run. I think I get this, right? Yeah. Oh, the cats! Cat's good, no? I think I want it. Alright. The cat's way too good. Kitty! Gimme. Come on. No, I haven't gotten the devil's number in a while. Okay. Okay. No double number. Thank you. Have a nice day. Let's go gambling. Nice. That's pretty big. Hey. Sheesh. Oh my god, so many things triggered there. 4K from that. More diamonds, more diamonds, more diamonds, more diamonds. Yes. Nice. Oh, yes. No. Okay. Oh my god. Wait, chat. I'm cooking. No, I'm not cooking. Please. Okay, I'm still cooking. No devil summer, no devil summer, no devil summer. No! You better stop. Okay, thank god. Yeah! Holy shit. Next. Yippee! Oh, okay, oh, I don't have it yet. Hello? Oh, guys. I need to get this right. Double the value of diamonds. It just makes sense to go for this. 4 coins to play.
Let's go.
Come on, come on, come on. Good? Holy shit, chat. Wait, downstairs. This is literally the run. This is it. I'm gonna escape from this prison. Oh my god! 31k already. Oh my god. Holy. Already have enough. Already have enough of this. Ah! Hey! Thank you. Okay. Hello. I think I want to reroll. I'll throw it away. And I'll get this. Oh, but I lose 1 charm space if I get this though. Wait. If I lose 1 charm space, that means I'll lose another charm, no? Because getting this megaphone takes up a space. Oh, wait, what? It went over. Okay, let's re-roll this and hopefully I get a better one. Oh! I get this twice because of the megaphone, right?
You don't need it.
Oh shit, chat. I'm gonna cook so hard. Wait. Holy, wait. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Come on. Come on. Give me diamonds. Dude, that was just from having 3 of them. I got 27,000 coins.
I can't stop winning!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, give me more. No! You better stop. Yes! Yes! Wait. Oh my god. I can reroll for something better. I'd probably go with this, right? Yeah, I don't really care for any of these. Increase the value of patterns with 3 or less symbols by their base value. I think I would go for this one. I feel like I'm always hitting 3 symbols. Okay. And then, I don't think I get anything here. Yeah, I don't have any space. We'll reroll just for fun. Yeah, let's... Oh my god. Alright, here we go.
Let's go gambling.
Oh, for some reason I can't press the button. Oh wait, no, I'm in the same run. Never mind. It's already triggered. Come on, give me something good! No, where are my diamonds? Yes! Good. Dude, 37,000. Diamonds don't go. Diamonds don't go! Alright. That's fine. There it is. Okay, I have enough. Alright, my next goal is 1,000 coins. Holy moly. I want to reroll. Ooh! Yes! More diamonds! Oh my god. Chat. Holy shit. Alright, here we go. This is gonna go crazy. This is gonna go insane. Okay. Oh my god! 150? Let's go! Go! Dude, I'm gonna hit 1 mil at this rate. Ashley, thank you for the super. Thank you for the stream today, Ellie. My injury is getting better and it doesn't hurt as much anyway. What should I name my Minecraft dog? I'm glad you're feeling better. What should you name your Minecraft dog? Dingus. I think that's a good name. Oh my god. What the fuck? No, stop. You better not. Please. If I get the devil's number, I'm gonna crash out. Oh, please, last spin. Yes! Oh my god, chat. We're making out of prison with this one, man. Holy shit. I don't know. Should I... Okay. I'm re-rolling, methinks. Alright, let's see. Yeah, no, the next debt, it's 6 million. Oh god. Can I get that? Oof. Jesus. All right. Let's see if we can get that lucky. I don't know if I can. An achievement. Here we go.
No gambling.
Go gambling. No! Diamonds, please. Nice. Oh no. Okay. No, I need to hit bigger than this. At this rate, I won't be able to hit the quota. Oh! Yes. Big numbers? That's what I'm talking about? Shit. I don't know, chat. We're in quite a predicament, honestly. I don't think this is enough. I'm still pretty far off. Shit. Yeah, 4 mil left. And I have two games left. Let's see. Oh, I forgot! Oh, I should have hit this. Nice. Let me hit this. Okay, there you go. Yes! Huge, 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 huge. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! Yes! Wait, we have a chance. We have a chance. Do that again. Come on. Okay. Good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh, we have a strong chance, chat. Yes. 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 Good. Good. More. Give me more. Oh. More diamonds. Yes. Dude, I want to hit a full screen of diamonds. I'll be filthy dirty rich. That happens. Nice, 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 nice. Holy. Holy. I got it. I got it. I'll do this.
Let's go gambling.
Okay. More money for me. Yes. Holy. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, okay, just give me a full screen of that. Okay. Okay, better than nothing. No. Oh, I'll lose half. Oh, that wasn't all my money. Oh. I thought I'd lose all of it. Okay, that's not too bad. I also got some items from it too, so I'm fine with that. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be all of it. No! Thank you. Yeah! Let's spin. Nice! I'm happy with that. Yay! Dude, watch the next frickin' quota be like frickin' 50 mil or something. god! You watch the next freaking quarter be like freaking 50 mil or something. What do you mean? What the fuck? You didn't call it? I didn't call it. It's way more than that. I undershot. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. More diamonds. Alright, here we go. I don't know how we're gonna get this, to be honest, but maybe we'll get lucky. Well, maybe we'll continue on getting lucky. Alright, here we go.
Let's go gambling.
Let's go gambling. Okay. Already at 2 mil. Come on. Give me jackpot. Give me jackpot. Please give me jackpot. Jackpot, please. Jackpot. 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 Not bad. Oh, what? I unlocked. What did I just unlock? I discovered a cat. What does that do? Wait, that chunky cat's so cute. I don't even care what it does. I want it. Pierre, thank you for the seatbelt. Let's go gambling. Yes, sir. That's what I'm doing.
Let's go gambling.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Pretty good. Oh, yes! I need bigger numbers than that. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Jackpot, jackpot, jackpot. No, not jackpot. Please. Oh! Oh my god. Wait, that's good, right? That's pretty dang good. Oh. Oh. Right, last spin. Okay. I am still nowhere near. Oh shit. Oh. Chat. What does one do here? How many runs do I have left? I think this is my last run, right? And then I'm cucked. Yeah, this is the last run. Okay. Alright, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! Give me full screen. Just give me full screen. Full screen, full screen, full screen. Come on. Full screen! Not quite. Almost! Oh! That was really close. Okay. Keep giving me those. Come on. Okay, that's good too. It's really good. Okay. More. No. Oh. Nice, extra spin. No, get those clovers out of here. Second last spin. Chat, I'm not gonna make it. I need to get really lucky with this last spin. I'm still so far off. Oh shit. Jackpot, please. It's over. No! I got so far! Oh no! Mom. I just want to tell you I love you. Goodbye. GG.